Reynolds Logistics Limited provide distribution solutions for fuel, bitumen, bulk and pack lubricants to clients throughout the UK and Ireland. Operating in excess of 100 vehicles from 6 locations throughout Ireland and over 50 vehicles from their 6 main operating sites in the UK, Reynolds has enjoyed outstanding and consistent growth since their formation and are widely recognised as an industry leader in terms of vehicle design, distribution systems and technologies. Reynolds Logistics' primary objective is to be considered by their customers as the best logistics provider in the industry, and as such, they constantly review the potential application of new technologies that add value, profit, and enhance their customers' operations. In response to this, Reynolds introduced a fuel delivery solution into their Irish operation. The solution, based around a software package developed by TouchStar Technologies, was designed to increase the speed and efficiency of the existing fuel delivery operation.
Our motivation was really to give us greater visibility and improve our customer experience. Also, to quicker the billing cycle and invoicing, so that we could also give updated information to our customers as and when they asked.
Once the decision had been made to move forward with the integration of fuel delivery technology, the solution took 6 to 9 months from initial specification to completion. Since the implementation, the solution has secured many tangible benefits and continued to support the growth of Reynolds operations within the fuel distribution markets. The addition of a major contract with world-leading provider of lubricant solutions signified a requirement for further development of the Reynolds fuel delivery solution in the United Kingdom.
Reynolds was successful in obtaining a blue-chip contract from one of the leading suppliers in the market. Part of the tender process for that contract was to have some form of in-cab solution to improve the customer experience from the client's perspective.
With an existing fuel solution already in place, Reynolds decided to extend the use of TouchStar's fuel delivery solution to include in-cab technology. TouchStar's existing solution was easily configurable and required no further development of the interfaces and connections to integrate the onboard computing element of the solution. The in-cab element of the solution utilised TouchStar's own new-to-market Touch PC Raven.
Reynolds selected the Raven TouchStar solution because firstly it was ATEX approved, which allowed installation into vehicles that operated in a high explosive area. Also, the solution allows for further development, because from our perspective we need a solution to add on to as the company grows.
The new solution now extends the use of real-time technology to cover the full spectrum of the Reynolds fuel delivery operation. The start of day procedure involves a number of checks and actions in order to ensure that Reynolds have the ability to complete their operations efficiently, accurately and safely. Within the back office, Reynolds Logistics receive orders which are then scheduled and assigned to a vehicle and driver. Once this process is complete, the information is then transferred over to the Raven in-cab computer, populating the terminal with all the relevant shift information, including the quantity of fuel or lubricants required for the driver to complete the delivery round. The driver will be required to load the vehicle with the correct amount of fuel, in addition to completing a number of pre-shift procedures. He will then be required to confirm all actions utilising the Raven in-cab computer. At the start of the fuel delivery operation, the driver will be required to enter his start time and starting mileage into the in-cab computer. The system will ensure that all the required health and safety checks are completed prior to commencing the shift to ensure the vehicle is roadworthy and is safe to drive. At this stage, the driver will be presented with his loading and delivering instructions on the in-cab computer. On arrival at the customer site, the driver will print off a copy of the pre-delivery docket, which confirms the amount of fuel they are due to deliver. The customer is required to sign the pre-delivery sheet in order to accept the delivery and confirm they have enough room in the tank to accept the delivery. Once accepted, the driver will commence the unloading of the fuel into the customer's fuel tank. At the delivery, the driver is able to confirm exactly what is delivered by connecting to the meter. This then automatically captures the data into the in-cab computer. The customer will sign the in-cab computer screen, and this will then be placed back in the vehicle for transfer of the delivery information and copy of the signature image docket to the back office. The driver also has the ability to enter the additional information regarding delays and issues that affect the delivery plan. This provides Reynolds with clear information as to the driver's ultimate location and progress in relation to their scheduled deliveries. Once the driver has finished his trip, he will complete his end-of-day actions, which include recording of expenses and detailing his end time, mileage and fuel. The adoption of the system has resulted in a raft of operational benefits.
Since the implementation of TouchStar, it's actually improved our visibility. It's given us real-time information on where our vehicles are located, and we can also react a lot faster to customer queries on the delivery process.
The new system has facilitated greater visibility of stock allocation, even from those operating from unmanned depots. The ability to enter the data once and have it then allocated to the relevant parties have impacted positively upon the internal admin efficiency of the company. The speed of capture and transfer of delivery information to the back office has enabled Reynolds to complete same-day delivery confirmations, significantly improving the speed of Reynolds' existing invoice cycle.
The Reynolds in-cab computer system allows the delivery to show the actual amount of product delivery through a metered system back into the system within the cab.
The ability to access greater levels and accuracy of information regarding schedules, stock and live feedback regarding position, status and stock available has enabled Reynolds to achieve a greater level of customer service. The removal of paperwork and secondary rekeying of information reduces errors in the system, making the operational function a lot faster and reliable. Onboard technology is currently utilised within 40% of Reynolds' existing fleet. However, Reynolds continue to be excited by the potential of onboard technology with regards to process improvements in the field and back office, and continue to look into ways how they can utilise technology to gather more data in the field.
The current plan for the solution is to roll it out over the majority of the Reynolds fleet, currently in the lubricants and fuels network. We're also looking at installing some additional add-ons to the solution, such as scanning software and vehicle navigation solutions.
The scanning requirement was driven by Reynolds' smaller customers who have a requirement for the delivery confirmation to be completed on their own paperwork. This functionality is currently being piloted across a number of vehicles within the operation, where the existing capabilities will enable Reynolds to scan the customer paperwork in the cab for faster and accurate transfer of the information to the back office. The additional navigational functionality will reduce the number of devices in cab, which from a health and safety perspective will reduce the level of distraction for the driver. Upon completion of a delivery, the navigational functionality on the in-cab computer will automatically update and navigate the driver successfully to the next customer.
Reynolds have got a proven track record with TouchStar and a good relationship, and also their systems in place are going to allow our systems to evolve for our company to progress with